money.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, you know, but yeah, I think I can help you for the buy the ticket, and after that I go back with the shuttle.
That is huge. Wow.
Been waking on the wrong side lately. Been far away from you.
We are the idiots who brought umbrellas, but didn't bring them to the trip. I mean, like, we packed them, but then we didn't bring them because we forgot them.
It's okay, but since it's windy, umbrella's useless. It's great.
It's not that windy.
Playing all my feelings 'cause I don't know how to make it stop.
Maze Runner? Is it?
Run, run. Oh, they're gonna get you.
Uh-oh. Oh, it's okay. Thomas will save me. Real ones know how happy I am right now.
Really good.
We just spent a total of 811,000 rupiah. Right? That's how rich I am, aren't I?
Oh my
We're so
goodness,
rich.
this is the first time
Because the moment you step on
this island.
on Indonesia, you're an instant millionaire. Yeah. So we're actually millionaires. That's just the truth. That's a fact right there.
People here are all millionaires.
Everyone here is a millionaire.
Eyes is mata. Oh, yeah, mata. Oh God.
Brain.
Brain's otak. Oh yeah. Oh God. Okay.
Sleep all day, forgetting I just wanna run away. Wish that
What is it? Thank you. Is it terima kasih? Terima kasih. Sa tingin in Bali, suksen.
No, it's alright. I'm vlogging.
Hope you know the way I feel about you. 'Cause I owe you way more affection. All night.
Something really nice here is that compared to the Philippines, the heat here doesn't hurt. Like, it's hot, but it doesn't hurt, you know, like it doesn't sting your skin. So I really appreciate that. Go Indonesia. Y'all have it better. Da-da-da! Look who just got into med school! Woo! Tired. I'm really tired.
Just to stay in your life through the thrills of it. God, I hope you know the way I feel about you. 2, 3. You know I hate to keep. I'm getting older, but I still can't read a vibe. 'Cause my world is on fire, but we're saying we're doing fine.
Sorry. Did you want to go
I
in?
never thought
Say
I'd
hi.
make it here past 25. Ooh, but maybe I just overthinking and wasting time. 'Cause I don't wanna know if I'm better off alone. I'm so happy when I'm sad, I make it up to deal. 'Cause I just need to see what the hell it's supposed to mean, so I can make it better, make it real.
Right in front of my
Right in front of my salad. Are you serious? Are you serious right now? It's me and my buddy just catching up. He's actually taking a rest right now. He had a long day. Ma, what did you say about this place?
Monkey has the building.
It's a building.
Yeah. And they have a monkey business.
This is a monkey business.
This is a monkey business.
Yeah.
My goodness. They have such thing, a monkey business.
They
I am
do
the
monkey
leader.
business. You're the,
I am the leader.
for
because-
context, it's because her Chinese zodiac is monkey, so she identifies as a monkey. And also the fact that earlier that a monkey chose to sit on her lap for the picture. So.
See, it's proven we have a monkey business here in Bali, Indonesia.
I'm wearing
We are the Filipinos who went to the Indonesian rice terraces before the one in the Philippines.
Yes.
And here we have the star of the show, the rice. Rice! Rice! We are lucky though, huh, that it's not raining. This would not have been as fun.
yeah, I have read all about it.
Dear future me, do more cardio. Love me.
But like I'm dreaming, floating above it and
Oh god, it's so cool. Say hi to the vlog.
feeling, 'cause I think you give me butterflies. I think that
Why are you
your voice
singing it?
sounds like honey on a summer's day. Did I say it out loud?
This is a message to my future self. Again, more cardio, I beg of you. Please. Because I'm currently suffering.